Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Miyoo mini games not showing up after copying to NDS folder. File fix guide. So fix 1, check the SD card. Turn off the Miyoo mini and remove the micro SD card. Then insert the card into your computer using a reliable card reader. Then confirm that the card is readable and that your game files are still present. Then make sure the card is formatted as FAT32, which is the recommended file system for the Miyoo Mini and Onion OS. Now if Windows reporter error, run the built-in error checking tool to repair the card. If you are using the stock microSD card that comes with the console, considering replacing it with the high quality card from brand like SanDisk or Samsung, as stock card often fail over time. Now the fix 2. Refresh the ROM listening. So insert the micro SD card back into the Miyoo Mini and power it on. Then open the Games tab. Now highlight the console that is missing game. Now press the select button to open the context menu. Now choose refresh all ROMs or refresh ROMs and confirm. Now wait for the scan to finish, then reopen the console to see if your games appear. If game still does not show, delete the cached game list, the game list.xml or Mio game list.xml if present, and refresh the ROM list again. The fix 3. Reformat the SD card. So backup all ROMs, BIOS files, saves and other important data to your computer. Then format the micro SD card as FAT32 using your operating system or a trusted formatting tool. Now copy your backed up file back onto the card and safely eject the card from your computer. Then reinsert it into the Miyoo Mini and refresh the ROM list again. Now reformatting often fixes file system corruption that prevent the console from detecting newly copied games. Now the fix 4, install Onion OS optionally. So download the latest Onion OS release, format your micro SD card to FAT32, copy the Onion OS installation file to the root of the SD card. Now insert the card into the Miyoo Mini and complete the installation. After setup, copy your ROM and BIOS files back to the correct folder. Then refresh the ROM list once installation is completed. Now the final fix, check ROM replacement. So open the ROM folder on your micro SD card. Now place each game inside the correct console folder, for example ROM/NDS or Nintendo DS game. Now ensure the folder name is exact ROMs with the correct the capitalization as incorrect name, such as ROMs, can prevent Onion OS from detecting the game. Avoid placing the ROMs inside unnecessary subfolders unless that the emulator specifically support them. Verify that the ROM files use supported file extensions for the emulator. After moving the game, safely eject the SD card, insert it into a Miyoo Mini and refresh the ROM list. So, goodbye and thanks for watching.